Another pandemic traveler video, and today I'm at Cremorne saltwater swimming pool, which is actually called MacCallum saltwater swimming pool in Cremorne. As you can see from behind me, there's a beautiful view of the city and surrounding suburbs, and I'm going to show you around. So there's a park here with a beautiful view where you can sit and have a little bit of a sunbake or picnic. The rock pool that grew. In the 1920s, this was called Cremorne Bathing Pool. Entry depended upon wearing a swimsuit bearing the red initials CBP on a blue patch, because this was a members only facility. Swimming here cost you 5 shillings a year, unless of course you snuck in when there were no members present. Well, not anymore. So what's that say over there? Municipality of North Sydney, the MacCallum Pool. This tablet commemorates the services rendered to the residents by Hugh MacCallum in connection with this swimming pool, unveiled on the 29th of April 1933. Nice. They don't have lifeguards down here, so you swim at your own risk. But in general, what a lovely place to go. We're lucky today, there's no one really around. But this is the view you get. You have the Harbour Bridge over there, Sydney Opera House directly across the way, Centre Point Tower in the distance. And the swimming pool. Alright, we'll head for a little bit of a wander out of this place. Looks nice down there. Okay, we'll have a wander. Don't think I've ever been across this way. Okay, so they have another entrance to the pool. Bit more of a view of the city. There's some really beautiful houses here. I'd be lucky just to rent a room in one of these houses. Some people just relaxing on a rock down there. Alright, so we could walk a little bit further, but I think that should do for now. Once again, this is another Pandemic Traveller video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, or if there's anywhere you'd like me to visit for you that's in the Sydney area, please let me know. Thanks, like and subscribe.